Hi there, Marcus here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how we're gonna take this article that's pretty complex. I have copied it from CNN.com, talking about China basically, and make a more accessible version of it. So less complex text that we can use for accessibility reasons, or it could be that you want children to read it as well. As always, this already have Drupal installed, so a base standard Drupal installation. It already has the AI interpolators installed. So if you don't know how to do this, you can check the description of the video, and there's links on how to set it up. There's also links there on a video basically explaining what the AI interpolator does in the background if you want to understand what the AI interpolator is. This is open source, it's free. After this video you can just go ahead and download it and set up the exact same process. Of course there's cost connected to using OpenAI then. So let's start. We start by logging in. In this case I have a content type set up. So the article, I'm just going to go and manage field. You see the article field there. We're going to create a new field that's a text formatted long. That's easier to read text. We call this field, right? And since it's a text formatted long, it can take HTML. We just say we just need one field. We take one field and generate a new one field as well. Allow full HTML in this case. We enable the AI interpolator and we choose the role OpenAI text long. So we take a text long as context and we create a text long field. The text long fields allows HTML. In this case, this is very important because of accessibility reasons. You might want headers because of accessibility reasons. As the base field, so the context, we say the article, and then we just write our prompt based on the context. Rewrite the text in an easy to understand way that even a 10-year-old would understand. Write around 10 paragraphs. You may use HTML tags like headers, em, and strong. Use headers like h2 and h3 in the text. So the h1 is probably already set somewhere on the page in this case. And then we have to do the context should be, in this case we just choose the clean version. We just need the text. Sometimes it helps to actually have some marker where the context starts and ends like this. We take advanced settings because in this case we have to use GPT-4. It's just superior in creating these summaries. We turn on batch mode because we want to see progress, and write a role. You are an assistant helping rewriting text in an easier to understand manner. We have on the moderation, so it checks against moderation so we don't break any terms of services because we don't want our OpenAI account blocked. We then go to the content where we have the article and just click save. So you see the field exists here, it's not filled out, so now it's gonna get filled out because it was empty in this case. Also, if you would change the base article and you have checked the setting that you want the summary to change when the article changed, it would change as well. You have to decide if this is important, of course, because if you just do a minor change, it might not make sense to rewrite the whole summary. For anyone working with Drupal, you have more steps to do after because you have to hide this article and so on. If you don't work with Drupal and you don't want to work with Drupal, but you still want to change this, so what you can do is you can actually set this up using Drupal in API mode. And then basically you get the same thing available where you can send in a text and you get a text out, but your application can run some other framework, right? So now it's finished, we click edit, and it should have filled out here, easier to read text with headers as we asked. And that's basically it. We're finished now. So yeah, thanks for watching.